Introducing Seneca WebGIS Ohio. WebGIS Ohio is an interactive map of oil and gas information, including wells, horizontals, parcel maps, and historical maps. This information is contained in several layers. Each layer can be used on its own or overlaid with other layers to generate a composite map. Wells Layer. The wells layer contains over 260,000 wells, includes permitted and drilled wells, whether producing, plugged, or abandoned. Each layer in WebGIS contains many more attributes than are visible from the map. You can use the Information button to view these attributes or the Search button to find what you are looking for. You can also view well documents, including plats, completion reports, and more. Horizontal layer. The horizontal layer includes lateral locations for over 2,900 permitted and drilled horizontal wells. To access the documents for horizontal wells, select the top hole from the wells layer. The wells and horizontals layers are updated with new activity every week. Surface parcels. The surface parcel layer displays the property boundaries and ownership information for the entire state of Ohio. It is searchable by owner, all or part of the legal description, county, and APN number. The surface parcel layer is updated yearly when new assessment information is released by county assessors. Historical parcels. The historical parcels layer contains property boundaries and ownership information from the 1890s through 1920s, depending on when the maps were originally published. This layer corresponds much more closely to mineral tracts severed during that time period. In some eastern Ohio counties, this layer is also searchable by name or acreage. New counties will be added as the data is entered and checked, with priority given to the Marcellus and Utica drilling areas. Searching the wells layer. The wells layer can be searched by any combination of API, short API, county, operating company, well name, lease name, or acreage between entered values. Let's look for well number 34-121-22297-0000. We can either type in the whole API number, or we can use the county and the 5-digit short API, 22297. Once you locate a parcel or well of interest, you can switch between layers and view documents to learn more about the property itself, wells located on the property, and nearby tracts. If we click the Information button, the Feature Info box is displayed. If we scroll to the right, we can see the well attributes. The well is a producing oil and gas well operated by Stonebridge Operating Company. We can see the well name, lease name, original operator, acreage, and more. Let's dig a little deeper. Notice that the well's acreage is shown as 20 acres. If we turn on the parcels layer, we can see that the well is located on a surface parcel owned by Holland and Griffin. The legal description shows that the surface tract is 104.007 acres. The historical atlas shows it as a 100-acre tract owned by N. Keel. Let's take a look at the well's documents. The well's API number is a hyperlink, which opens the scanned documents in a new tab. The permit usually contains a well plat showing the well's location and lease information. As you can see, the well has been drilled on a 20-acre drilling unit. This may mean that the north and south portions of this property are not held by production. WebGIS can search by any or all of the fields in the search box. Let's find all wells in Noble County operated by CNX. Not only can you see their permitted and drilled horizontal wells, you can see conventional wells that may be holding leases. Other search types. You can change your search layer by clicking this drop-down box. You don't need to fill out an entire field. The search will find any records containing your search criteria. You can search tax parcels to find all parcels owned by White in Noble County, or all wells with 74 in the legal description. You can find a county, township, or USGS place name. WebGIS also includes base layers like topography, aerial photography, and street map views. For more information on Seneca technology products, please call 304-622-7985. Thank you for your interest and your time.